Now our pizza dough or base is ready for our toppings. Let's start it off with some pizza paste or tomato pizza paste. You can even just use tomato paste or whatever you got that is related to tomato paste, something like that. After spreading that evenly around your dough, we are going to add some mozzarella cheese. That's to make sure that all the toppings that are going above it are gonna stick on the bottom. So evenly spread your mozzarella cheese around your pizza dough, pizza base. Then we're gonna be adding pineapple. So this pizza is a tropical type of pizza because my kids like pineapple on their pizza. But you can decorate it or top it up with anything you like, as long as it's nothing poisonous. As long as it's nothing poisonous. Next toppings we are going to be putting is mozzarella balls. I just cut them into some slices and just distribute it all around pizza. And next ingredient I'm using is roast chicken, leftover roast chicken from last night's dinner. So just put it everywhere as well, and then top it off with more cheese everywhere. Make sure everything's covered. Then we're going to be adding salt and pepper to taste, or even just pepper because cheese is salty enough. Then I add some garlic powder as well because I like the garlic taste. So from here we're going to be cooking this.
Hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Oh my God! Wow!